Welcome to Unveiling the Future of Money, the Cashless Revolution. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and how they are redefining money in the digital age. From Bitcoin to blockchain, we'll explore how these digital assets are shaking up the financial world. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Picture this. It's 2009, and an anonymous entity named Satoshi Nakamoto introduces Bitcoin. This wasn't just another digital currency, it was the beginning of a financial revolution built on groundbreaking blockchain technology. Blockchain. You've heard the term, but what does it really mean? Imagine a global ledger, one that's decentralized and incredibly secure. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded in this ledger. Once information is added, it's there for good. No single entity controls it, making it almost impossible to tamper with. Since Bitcoin's launch, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have emerged, each bringing something new to the table. Ethereum, for instance, introduced smart contracts, self-executing contracts coded into the blockchain. Ripple aims for lightning-fast international payments, while Litecoin offers quicker transaction times. Cryptocurrencies are becoming a part of everyday life in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. Imagine paying for your morning coffee with Bitcoin or using Ethereum to book your next vacation. Online shopping with cryptocurrencies is on the rise, with major retailers and small businesses alike starting to accept digital currencies. This trend extends beyond the internet. Some people are even using Bitcoin to purchase real estate, from apartments in bustling cities to serene vacation homes. The concept of being paid in digital currency is also gaining traction. Companies in tech-savvy industries are offering salaries in Bitcoin, providing employees with new ways to manage and grow their earnings. It's not just about spending, though. Cryptocurrencies offer new investment opportunities, allowing people to grow their wealth in a decentralized and innovative market. Businesses are catching on, too. More and more brick-and-mortar stores are displaying Bitcoin accepted here signs, making it clear that digital currency is welcome. Restaurants, coffee shops, and even service providers are integrating cryptocurrency payments, catering to a growing customer base that prefers this method. This growing acceptance is part of a larger trend. As more people and businesses adopt cryptocurrencies, the ecosystem expands, driving further innovation and integration into our daily lives. From practical uses to financial strategies, cryptocurrencies are reshaping the way we think about money. But it's not all smooth sailing. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile. One day, your Bitcoin is worth a fortune, the next, it plummets. Regulations are all over the map. Some countries embrace crypto, others outright ban it. And let's not forget security concerns. While the blockchain is secure, the platforms and wallets can be vulnerable to hacks. Despite these challenges, cryptocurrencies are becoming a part of everyday life. People are using Bitcoin to make online purchases, send remittances, and even buy real estate. Businesses are accepting cryptocurrencies as payment, and some employees are receiving their salaries in digital currencies. Then there's the rise of initial coin offerings, or ICOs, where startups raise funds by issuing their own digital currencies. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is another game changer, offering traditional financial services like lending and borrowing without intermediaries. Looking to the future, cryptocurrencies hold immense promise. We might see deeper integration with traditional finance and the advent of central bank digital currencies, digital versions of national currencies. Experts agree that the potential for cryptocurrencies is vast. They could revolutionize how we think about money, decentralize financial systems, and offer services to the unbanked. But for this to happen, regulatory and security challenges must be addressed. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies are not just a fad. They represent a fundamental shift in how we understand and use money. As we venture into this exciting future, staying informed about both the opportunities and risks is crucial. Thanks for watching Unveiling the Future of Money, the Cashless Revolution. If you found this episode intriguing, hit that subscribe button and join us next time as we explore more innovations shaping our financial future. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.